This is the #1 reason to not buy imported cheap guitar kits. They use wet wood, and as it dries, oh my god, it's all warped. No, in all seriousness, this has been in the shop for about 3 years. It's a hollow body, and it's got a huge amount of deflection. At least 3/8 of an inch. See me in there? That's terrible. So imagine putting your hard work into a guitar body and then you end up with this. So this is a little bit more extreme because it's a hollow body, but this will also happen in the solid bodies. As this wood dries, it warps. They use wood that's been partially dried, and as that partially dried wood dries out more, it'll warp. So I always say look for guys making bodies here domestically. Most of the hardwoods that are dried properly, and you won't end up with garbage. I mean, there's nothing I can do to straighten this out at all. Even if I clamped it, this plywood top may or may not crack. Really a big mess. So avoid buying cheap imported kits for this reason. Buy something a little bit nicer. You can find used Warmoth necks on eBay. You can find guys that make bodies that are pretty nice. So you think you're spending $99 to put something together as a learning process, but if you actually want to play the guitar over the long term, this is what you get. This is the same thing that you get with some of these imported copies as well. They use wet wood, the wood dries, and I don't know if this guitar would be playable. It does curve just enough like this. Some guys are gonna make some comments that this is now an arch top, but it's actually a reverse arch top. So, I don't know, it's just really messy. I'm really disappointed in this. There's nothing you can do. You can put your time and effort into something that's now garbage. So the necks are the same way. The necks will actually shrink and you'll get all the frets starting to pop out, very similar to this one. This was a imported neck that I bought, I don't even know what for, and all the frets are popping out. The imported kits are notorious for wet wood that shrinks, and you've got a whole lot of rework to do. So just a quick tip for the day. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.